Before I decided to make this video, I told myself that I also needed a loan of 50,000 naira. In Nigeria, there are a lot of loan apps that let people get quick loans even if they don't have a bank account. The problem with these loan apps is that it is hard to get loans of up to 30,000 naira, let alone 50,000 naira. But you don't have to worry about that anymore because in this article, I'll show you some of the best instant loan apps in Nigeria that can give you a loan of 50,000 naira as a first-time customer. I need to borrow 50,000 naira in Nigeria. What's a good app? If you need a loan of up to 50,000 naira right away in Nigeria, here are the best loan apps that offer loans up to that amount. Number 1. Fairmoney app. Fairmoney is without a doubt one of the safest loan apps you can use to get a loan without worrying about being bothered, as we've already said. Even though the company's interest rates are a bit too high right now, but Fairmoney is one of the best loan apps where you can start within 50,000 naira loan. To get a Fairmoney 50,000 naira loan, you must meet all of the other requirements that the app may give you. For example, you must have a good credit record with any other loan company in Nigeria, since they all use the same credit bureau registries. Number 2. Okash by Opay. Okash promised for the first time to give its customers loans of up to 50,000 naira. This has been proven by the fact that some of their users have said they got at least 30,000 to 50,000 naira when they needed a loan through Okash. Okash hasn't been said to bother customers like other loan sharks do, so you don't have to be afraid to get an emergency loan from them. To get a loan from Okash, all you have to do is go to Google Play Store and download the Okash loan app. Then, fill in your information, including your BVN, and ask for a 50,000 loan, which will be put into your account right away. Number 3. Ella Credit. Ella Credit isn't just a loan company. It's also a financial solutions company that can give you a loan of between 500,000 naira and 1 million naira for personal or business use. Ella Credit is in the app stores for both iOS and Android, and it has been confirmed that it gives real loans to users. The interest rate at Ella Credit is one of the best among its competitors. Interest rates can be as low as 4% 29% per month, depending on how well you've paid in the past. With Ella, you can get a loan in a few minutes without putting up any collateral. Number 4. Easy Credit Loan App. Easy Credit offers loans from 1,000 naira to 200,000 naira for personal, business, and salary advances. With Easy Credit, people in Nigeria can get emergency loans of up to 50,000 for business or personal use. The app did, however, break a few Google Play Protect rules, so Google Play took it down. But they still do something under a different name. Number 5. Carbon Loan App. Carbon, like many other companies, has grown beyond being just a loan app. It is now a fintech and mobile money company in Nigeria that helps people get loans quickly and easily. If you need it, the app can give you a loan of up to 50,000 today. Some of the things they need are a bank verification number (BVN) and a phone number that has been registered. Number 6. RenMoney Loan App. RenMoney is still the best loan app in Nigeria, even though we put it in 7th place. It not only helps people get loans, but it also lets them invest their money in fixed deposits and get a fair return on their investments after a certain amount of time. In Nigeria, you can get a loan from RenMoney right away for up to 50,000 naira without having to fill out any paperwork. You would only need to give your bank verification number, your phone number, and the contact information for 2 guarantors. The loan amount would be sent to you as soon as possible. Number 7. New Credit Loan. New Credit has one of the most extensive lists of customers in the loan industry. The loan app has been downloaded more than 1.5 million times from Google Play. With just your bank verification number and a phone number, it can give you a loan of up to 50,000 naira. With the New Credit Loan app, you don't have to fill out a lot of paperwork to get a loan. What app gives 50,000 naira loans? In a nutshell, we know that the most reliable apps in Nigeria that give out 50,000 naira loans are New Credit, RenMoney, Fairmoney, Carbon, Okash, and Ella Credit. How can I get a 50,000 naira loan in one day in Nigeria? Using multiple loan apps is the best way to get a 50,000 naira loan in one day without any restrictions. When you sign up for more than one loan app and apply for a loan, they might limit the amount you can borrow to 20,000. If you can get the same amount from 3 different loan apps, you've already gotten a loan of 50,000 in one day. If you watched this video and were wondering if you need a loan of 50,000 naira in Nigeria and where to get it, then this video should have helped you.